Hi guys! Today I'm going to do some filming and get some good engine sound while I'm riding, because it's quite boring to have all this windy GoPro noise or Swedish chatter on the intercom sometimes. So yeah, I have a setup. I'll show you. So I have this little audio recorder. It's H1N from Zoom, the cheapest model. I have made this sort of the two foam that you wash your car with, and I had some silver tape on it. Put the record on, the record button on, put it in here, and I squeeze it in here between these two bags. With this pointing, it's fully in here, and it's close to the exhaust, and yeah. So let's see what this little fellow can do.